So we have made it to Nagasaki Biopark. This place is famous for petting capybaras. We took the local bus from Nagasaki Station. It costs 880 yen each. It took about an hour and a half. But yeah, we're gonna go check it out. Yeah. So excited. Just bought our tickets. The Biopark and PAW, which is Pet Animal World, so there's smaller animals like cats, dogs, they have chinchillas, which I love. So the tickets are, we paid 2,300 each, so it was 4,600 for both of us. The cheapest option would be 1,900 yen, and that's just to do the Biopark and not PAW. So yeah, so let's go. It's actually so humid. They have a thing over there. If your glasses fog up, you can use it to like spray the fog out of your glass. They have bats in there. They have fruit bats in there. So cute. I love bats.
Do you like the cabbage? He likes the cabbage. Yes, you do. Oh, you're so cute. Isn't it? Yummy. So you can actually hand feed them.
It's only 100 yen.
I like this one's face. Your face is so pink. I like how your knees are backwards.
Oh, this is a cover of a song.
Oh.
Do, 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 do. I don't know what it is though. It's like a pan flute cover of a song.
Yummy.
here. Oh.
Look at their little ears.
So part of the thing of the Nagasaki Biopark is that you can feed and pet the capybaras, so we are going to try.
How much does it cost?
Oh, I think it's 100 yen. It might be 300. We've noticed most of the food is 100 or 300 yen. So let's see what it is.
And also, didn't you see a sign that said something, what they like?
They like butt scratches, so you shouldn't go near their face because they might bite you, but they like butt scratches. Watch out, there's one right there.
Oh.
These little pellets.
Doesn't even care.
You not hungry?
Is that all of it?
Yeah. You didn't even get up. There you go.
She pet him.
They are not soft. It makes such a weird noise. I've never heard it before. Oh, okay.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. So this is the Squirrel Monkey Woods, and yeah, you're just in the netting with the monkeys. They'll come right up to you supposedly. Oh my god, if you find me. Oh my god, it did.
Right? So
Yep, I'm
just
staying calm.
yeah, just take one. Just walk towards the tree. Once I realize you don't have anything. Are you freaked out?
A little bit.
Come on, buddy, come on. Yeah, come on. Come on, me. Come on, let's go. Come on.
I'm a little terrified of monkeys, but we thought this would be a good one to try and get over that fear because they're so small and cute. And I just let that one climb on me and it worked.
Have you gotten rid of your fear of monkeys?
A little bit.
No.
Oh,
Oh.
you're going for the garbage again. Oh, that's a good jump.
They just jump on you randomly, like you wouldn't even expect it.
Yeah, so they just are like hanging out in the trees and they'll just jump down on you. It's kind of cute. They're not being aggressive or anything. And there is actually food here. So I'm surprised they're not more aggressive, given that you can feed them. But no, they seem pretty chill.
And there's lemurs.
And there's lemurs and they're so cute. I love the lemurs.
Look at the pet of lemur.
So cute. Alright, so they have the biopark, which has more of the exotic animals, and then they also have Pet Animal World, which has animals that are commonly kept as pets: dogs, cats, chinchillas, rabbits. So we're gonna go pet some of them. Let's go. I don't know what it is, but it's adorable.
You know that you're above an owl? There's an owl above you?
Oh my god, he's playing with your hair.
You like my hair?
Oh, he's grooming you. You're one of your friends now.
Oh no. Very soft.
Alright, so that is going to do it today for Nagasaki Biopark. I think it was worth it. It was a lot of fun. There were some animals in here I've never been so close to. Obviously, capybaras. The giraffe you could see up close. You can't pet it, but you can see it really close. It is a bit tricky to get to, so maybe driving, if you can drive in Japan, that would be your best bet. But I do think it was worth it for us to take the transit here. There were so many cool animals that I've never seen that close before, and it was a lot of fun to see them. So yeah. So the biopark ends our trip to Nagasaki, which was amazing. I highly recommend if you're in the area to go visit the Nagasaki Biopark. It was so much fun, from petting capybaras to having squirrel monkeys jump all over us. And even though Pa was kind of chaotic, it was a lot of fun. Especially if you have kids, I think they'd really enjoy it. Alright, thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you in the next one.